1921 Barrel Oak. Finally got the code to see it. There is a little tiny community playground right on the other side of that stop sign on the right side. I would think you may want to power wash this driveway. Satellite dish on the back. Okay, we have what looks like laminate flooring at the front, and it follows through to this powder room here. Fairly standard. The walls are, you know, I thought that they were gray, but now I'm thinking they're just white. Coat closet right off of the garage and the front door. Carpet looks brand new. We need 4 blinds that are 2.5-inch faux wood blinds. I like the little fan. It's cute. So obviously we need a fridge. The microwave and the dishwasher, the stove look pretty new. Modern cabinet pulls, undermount sink with a gooseneck, gorgeous stone counters. So 5 blinds so far. Lots of rock. It doesn't look like there's weed barrier underneath it. Might want to add some pavers back here. It's not very expensive to add pavers in. We get pretty good prices. We do like an 8x10 or something just to create some usable space out in the back, since it'll almost undoubtedly be a family. So we have 4 picture windows, 5. Carpet looks new. Flat panel doors, but everything looks to be in good condition. Same. Closet door guides, closet rod, upgraded light fixture. Even if it's not a fan, it's still upgraded. And they did put, so this is laminate. Cabinets look good. 1, 2, 3, 4 windows. 5. 6, 7. So 7 windows upstairs. 8. So that's for the washing machine. We want to get it professionally installed and supply it so the tenant doesn't create a leak. Okay, that's that.